Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats, compass, CD player, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, driver and front passenger heated seats, trip computer, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.